Hello friends! Today we are going to be doing our grammar activity for the week. Up top it says, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. Some adjectives tell what kind or how many. So this adjective that describes a noun, we have our noun bricks and it says that those bricks are red. Red is our adjective. Over here we have houses is our noun and our adjective is telling us how many houses there are. There are 3 houses. So 3 is our adjective. An adverb tells more about a verb. Adverbs tell how, when, or where about the verb. Many adverbs end in ly. She moved suddenly. Our verb is moved. The adverb tells how she moved suddenly. So this is our adverb. This one says he was here yesterday. So we have our yesterday is our adverb because when was he here? He was here yesterday. So in the sentences below, you're going to tell whether the underlined word is an adjective or an adverb. So on the line, you need to just write adjective or adverb. And if you want to abbreviate, you may. For adjective, we abbreviate with ADJ. For adverb, it's ADV. So if you want to write abbreviations for these, that is fine. Dancers moved slowly to the stage. I know that slowly tells how they moved. It's an adverb. The slow dance began with a drum beat. So I know that slow describes the dance. The dance is a noun. It's a place where people go. It's not saying that people are dancing and moving. It's saying you could go to a dance. So slow is an adjective. The rest you're going to do on your own. So pause the video between me reading them. Number 3 says, Joanna was a graceful dancer. Is graceful an adverb or an adjective? Number 4, another girl danced gracefully. Number 5, the dancers wore bright costumes. Number 6, the lights shined brightly on the dancers. Number 7, an unusual song began. Number 8, the horn was unusually loud. So make sure on every line you've written whether the word is an adjective or an adverb or an adjective. On the next side, you are going to be correcting sentences. Up top it says, begin every sentence with a capital letter, end statements and commands with a period, end a question with a question mark, end an exclamation with an exclamation point. Here are some examples. Let's imagine that we are explorers. So I have a capital letter and a period. What would you like to explore? Capital letter, question mark. You have an amazing imagination. Capital letter, exclamation point. So in these sentences, none of them have their ending punctuation or a capital letter. So when we rewrite these, we are going to write them correctly. This says, what do you want to read? So I need to do my capital W. What do you want to read? I have what do you want to read, and I made sure I put a question mark on the end because they're asking a question. So I'm going to read the next 4, and I want you guys to make sure you capitalize the beginning of your sentence and add the correct ending punctuation. Make sure you do your best handwriting so that I can read what you've written. Number 2 says, he has so many great books. Number 3, please tell me about your favorite book. Number 4, that is amazing. Number 5, share your book with us. So again, you're copying the sentence as it is, except you are capitalizing the beginning and putting punctuation at the end. When you're done, make sure your name is on the top and turn it in.